Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So if you have a old mirror pic or a mirror pic where lots of dust is there in the mirror and you want to make it to a very clean one, you want to remove all those dirt from that image, then I will show you in my mobile screen how to uh, change your dirty image to a very clean and clear mirror picture. So for this, upload your mirror selfie photo. So I don't have much dirty, but yeah, it's dirty. And you have to paste this prompt. And here you can see the image is generated and no dirty in the mirror. It's very clean and clear. So to get a prompt, either you can visit our Telegram channel, this high tech talk, and directly you can copy a prompt from here, or you can visit our Instagram page, and here in this post you can comment as mirror so that I can directly DM you. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.